Connecting the Stripe with the Gohighlevel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Create a Stripe account. Then visit the Stripe website. Now sign up for a Stripe account or log in if you already have one. Retrieve your Stripe API keys. Once you're logged into your Stripe dashboard, go to the Developer section. Retrieve your publishable key and secret key. You will use these keys to interact with the Stripe API. Then access Gohighlevel. After that, log in to your Gohighlevel account. Now, visit the Gohighlevel website and log in to your account. Navigate to Payment Settings in Gohighlevel. Access Payment Settings. In your Gohighlevel dashboard, navigate to the Settings or Configuration section related to payments. Locate Stripe Integration. Now, look for an option to integrate or connect with Stripe. This might be under Payment Gateways or a similar section. Connect to Stripe. Then, enter Stripe API keys. In the Stripe Integration settings, you will likely find fields to enter your Stripe API keys. Now, enter your publishable key and secret key in the respective fields. Save the changes. Save or update the changes to complete the integration.